Let's slice this up and see how it looks like in the inside. It is cloud bread. Look at that. I really love the texture. It looks so nice, so fluffy. Wow. Wow. If you miss bread but want something light and high protein, watch this. I have tested a lot of cloud bread recipes and honestly, most of them fell flat. This one didn't. This cloud bread is made with eggs, Greek yogurt, whey protein and baking powder, and the texture genuinely surprised me. It came out light, fluffy, airy, almost like real bread. It holds its shape, slices clean, and doesn't collapse once it cools. If you're looking for a bread alternative that actually looks and feels like bread, this is the version to try. So for this recipe, we'll be needing 3 eggs, which I'll be separating into the bowl. It's a high protein bread. Some whey protein, plain. This is the one I'm using. Some Greek yogurt. And I'll be using some baking powder, a bit of cream of tartar, just to improve the texture. So we'll start by separating the eggs. And I'm just going to separate my yolks into this so I can just easily blend everything up. So we separate 3 eggs here. Ooh. 3 egg whites, which I'm going to whisk up in a minute. And these are my yolks. I'm adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar into my egg whites to whisk it up. Stiff pick. Now into our yolk, 3 yolks, which we prepared initially, we will be adding 2 tablespoons of whey protein powder. This is the one I'm using here. It's best if it's plain, so that's 1. 2 tablespoons. Adding your salt to taste. This is the one I'm using. I'm adding in 1/4 of a teaspoon. Some baking powder. 1/4 of a teaspoon. And I'm going to add in some Greek yogurt. 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. We're going to blend this up. So I've blended this up now. And I'm going to fold it into this. So we're gently going to pour this in here and wrap it up. Super easy recipe. Pour it gently in and wrap up. And try not to overmix. And this is it. It's been mixed up nicely. And I'm going to place it in this chop line. Ready? If you're still here, please kindly like and subscribe and leave a comment. This will help support my channel. Thank you so much. So I'm going to take this to the air fryer and bake it at 150 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. And then I'll reduce the heat and bake it for another 10 minutes. I'll let you know the exact time once it comes out of the air fryer. See you in a bit. Wow. Wow. This is truly cloud bread. And I think I'm going to love it. Straight out of the air fryer. I have to obviously wait for it to cool down and we'll slice it together. I'll see you in a bit. I am truly impressed. Look at that. Let's slice this up and see how it looks like in the inside. It is cloud bread. Look at that. I really love the texture. It looks so nice, so fluffy. And this is your cloud bread. It's nice when toasted up. Can you see? Very nice. And it has a nice crush. I really love this. There you have it. I think next time I won't add much salt to it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this recipe, and please kindly subscribe, like and comment. Have a lovely day and God bless you. Bye-bye.